Recently, I did a short video on why you should have a book one sheet, but what about you? You should have an author one sheet too. So I would have maybe some pictures of your book or books. Maybe they're, a series. You could kind of scan along there. But this is really for information about you as a consultant, as a speaker, as so many other things that you could have and put out. You could put types of speeches, titles, a couple of sample titles. You could have testimonials on this of what you have people give on kudos of when you spoke at their group or spoke at a book club. But this is separate from a book one sheet that is very specific. We're not putting ISBNs and things like this about your books and the pricing of your books and the genre of your book per se. This is about you, your expertise, whether it's consulting, whether it's speaking, whether it's whatever that you put your expertise as. This is where your influence gets going. So testimonials would be ideal, whether from clients or from companies that have engaged with you. Where do you put it? Certainly on your publicity page. That would be the ideal spot, as well as on your speaking or consulting tab with that. And make sure that you print them out, that you carry those with you, that people will have. All right, so book one sheets is one thing, but author one sheets, and that's where you want a good sharp image of you that's friendly, that emulates trust. If you're selling your services as a speaker, consulting, and quotes, testimonials that say you're a rock star. All right, that's my tip for today. We'll see you next time. Please share these with your colleagues.